Namaste, welcome back to Shakti Yoga with Shaili. I am Shaili. Today, let's bring our attention to the often neglected feet and ankles. Let's learn some stretches for our feet and ankles. Sit with your legs straight out in front of you with your toes pointing up. We will begin by stretching our toes. All day in the socks or in the shoes, the toes hardly get a chance to stretch, so stretch them well now. 3 to 4 times, stretch them out. Now curl them in and relax. Curl, and you can even stretch them in towards your body. So curl in and stretch. Now point your toes out and then flex as much as you can. Point your toes out. You are giving a good stretch to the ankles as well, and then flex. Point out and flex. Point out, big stretch for the toes, for the ankles, and then flex. And this time take your heels off the ground. Hold it there. Your knees are still firmly on the ground. You just took your heels away from the ground, and then bring them back. Now rotate your ankles. 2, 3, 4, 5, and reverse the rotation. 2, 3, 4, 5. Nicely done. From here, come onto your knees. If you have any kind of knee sensitivity, I encourage you to cushion your knees by placing a folded blanket under your knees. Keep your knees hip width apart. From there, curl your toes really well and sit on your heels. By this, we will be stretching the soles of our feet. We hardly ever do that. Keep your hands on your thighs, your back straight, shoulders relaxed. Maybe close your eyes here. You are getting a very good stretch in the soles, as well as your toes curled in, getting a good stretch. Now, if any time during this stretch you feel that your pinky is not touching the floor, push it out. All of your toes should be curled in. And if any time during this stretch you feel it is getting a bit too much, please come out of it. Or you may take the support of your hands to let go of some tension. But make sure that you keep your back straight. Don't round your back. Even while you are taking the support of the hands, you are getting a good stretch in your feet. I encourage you to do this for at least 40 to 50 seconds to get maximum benefits out of it. Then take support of your hands and gently release your feet. From there, sit in Vajrasana, knees together, big toes together, heels apart. And now we are going to lift our knees. So place your hands behind you, fingers facing forward, and lift both your knees off the ground. And you are getting a fantastic stretch in your ankles. Now you can either stay here or you can place your hands on your knees. Keep your core engaged, back straight, gazing at a point in front of you. You can also have your hands in prayer position. But remember, it is an ankle stretch that we are doing and not a core strengthening pose. So if this one becomes challenging, please have your hands behind you. Now gently coming out of the pose, relax your legs. And with this, we are done with the stretches for our feet and ankles. I'll see you soon with a new video. Thank you so much.